Here is for the chance. A little love is all I ask. A little kindness. Please don't leave me behind. Love will tell you when it's wrong.
Back on the court now on the third quarter game. Quarter final 30 under category between Barangay Ono and Barangay Tres. Wanga using the glass so strong. Gasapo now pick up the ball and dribbling on the run. To Sanchez, nowhere to go. Last touch. Barangay Ono's ball. Maga, take out Togoles, and then basket for 2 points. For 3, air ball. Foul, jersey 0, Hilsana. Second personal foul. Blocking foul, jersey number 6, Sanchez. First foul, Sanchez. Maga, denied. Gasapo now, dribble the ball. Gasapo, Pasto. Second opportunity, using the glass, no good. Gasapo, he fake it, and then, yeah! Back to Wanga. Tumagan for 3. Short. Sub. Gasapo, bring up the ball from team Barangay Tres. Traveling violation by D1. Wanga, penetrate, basket, no points. Gasapo sitting on the play. He fires on the 3. No. Goles now on the rebound. To Wanga. Pass to Magan, steal by Sanchez. Pass to Gasapo. Dribble the ball. To Salar, that deflected by Magan. Pass to Goles. He stopped. And he is still by Dick Inyana. D1. Dick Inyana to Sanchez to D1. Corner and then air ball. Magan. Sub. Bukang, 10-round shot. No. Taking niya na. Foul, jersey number 4. Third personal foul, Luanga. 6 minutes and 50. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Jump ball in the Provenzano in favor of Barangay Tres. Salarda now on the leader. Goes to D1 to Bukang. Perimeter jumper, no. Goalless pass to Magan. Magan. Full speed to Magan attempt. Foul. Jersey number 24. Dikinyana. First personal foul. Salarda to Gasapo. Hitting the shot. Bouncing out. Battling the rebound. Goes to D1. Connect for the points. For 3. Bouncing out. Salarda to D1. Foul. Jersey number 29. Holding foul. First personal foul by Magan. Jimenez. Togoles for 3. Air ball. Salarda now the rebound to D1 and touchdown. Easy the points. Magan. Kick out to Jimenez for 3. Bam! Pass break pass to D1. Easy the points. Magan to Jimenez, same spot. Yes! Back to back, 3 points by Jimenez. Gasaba. Still by Tade. Tade dribbling on the run. Traveling violation sub. D1 for 3. No rebound. Wanga. Pass to Jimenez. Jimenez attacking by 2. Hindi ka foul. Jersey number 80. D1. Sub. First personal foul. D1 first. Four. Salarda for 3. In and out. Rebound. Wanga. Pass to Jimenez. Stop for 3. No. Magan. Short. D1 attacking Wanga, no good. Jimenez dribbling on the run. Jimenez on the move, denied. Sub. Jersey number 18 pushing foul sub. Penalty na rep, penalty na. Penalty na rep, penalty na. Penalty. Three minutes, 17 seconds. Second personal foul. D1, second. Two for 2, Jimenez. Score 42-40, 2-point lead, Barangay Tres. 3 seconds violation. Timeout, Barangay Tres. Time 3 minutes and 1 second. 3 minutes and 1 second. And 1 second remaining time. Three minutes and 1 second. Fourteen shot clock, still by Salarda. Salarda. Hindi ka na foul. Committed by jersey number 3. Teruel. First personal foul, first. Sub. minutes and 40. For 3, bouncing out. D1. Pass to Salarda. Dribble the ball. Attacking, denied. Teruel taking away the ball. Goes to Wanga. No. Foul, jersey number 3, Teruel. Second personal foul, and warning, jersey number 4 from Barangay Ono for second motion, and jersey number 18 from Barangay Tres for second motion. Warning. Minutes and 6 seconds. Gasapo on the leader. To D1, perimeter jumper, short. Cañaveral now secures the ball. To Teruel. 1 minute and 45. Wanga back to Teruel. For 3. No. Magan to Teruel. To Jimenez. 1 minute and 30 seconds. D1. To Salarda. Bounce pass to Bungkag. No good. Cañaveral now on the rebound to Teruel. To Jimenez. To Teruel. To Wanga. 14 shot clock. Teruel using the gas so strong. To Gutierrez. One dribble and touchdown. Easy the points. Seconds. Shot clock 10. For 3, no. 30. On the left, no good. Follow up by D1. Basket points. 20. 15. 10. 5. 3rd quarter score, 47-42, 5-point lead, Barangay Tres. on the court now on the fourth and the final quarter game between Barangay Ono and Barangay Tres. Teruel for three. Yes! 47-45. Gasapa to Diwan. Buka. Shot clock 7. Rebound Diwan. Awaga. Foul. Jersey number 16, blocking foul. First personal foul, Gasapa. Teruel, no. Junilas on the rebound. To Diwan. No good. Teruel to Jimenez. To Jimenez again. Bouncing out. Rebound Bukag. To Salarda. To Junilas. Junilas! Basket for the points. Halit pa na sa Inigaran. Teruel for three. In and out. Jonelas. Attacking by two, nowhere to go. Foul. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul, Magan. Second. Hit in one by Janelas. Teruel had the ball. Kick out to Wanga for three. Short. Magan to Jimenez. In and out. Janelas on the rebound. Pass to Salarda. Gasapa. Basket for the points. Teruel to Jimenez. Back to Teruel. Back to Jimenez. For three. Short. Magan to Teruel. 10 shot clock. He fake. On the Eurostep. Basket of points. Gasaba. Kick out to Salarda. Pass down the corner. Shot clock 7. No! Teruel. Wanga for three. Bang! Diwan. No good. Magan on the down low. Denied by Janelas. Gasapo to Diwan. Is Time 6 minutes and 14 seconds. 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Six minutes and 14 seconds. Balaba, Total Prado, he fake, Tomagan, so strong. Foul, jersey number 19. Second personal foul, Del Prado. Gasapo. To Junilas. A fake, a spin, circle shot, short. Jump ball. Shot clock 11, shot clock 11. Balaba. Total Prado, airball, Magan! Basket of points! Foul, jersey number 0, sub. Four minutes, 47 seconds. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Shot clock 14, shot clock 14. Magan, Del Prado, Tomagan! Basket of points! Diwan denied by Waka. Waka, shot clock 10! 7 shot clock. 4-3, so strong. Balaba. Still by El Sanato Junelas. Todiwan. So strong. Timeout Barangay Tres. Timeout Barangay Tres. Three minutes and 50 seconds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 56-54. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Salarda for 3. In and out. Battling the rebound. Last touch by Janelas. Del Prado. Traveling violation. Gasabo. Jonelas. Foul. Jersey number 7 sub. Magan. Third personal foul. Third. Last throw, balls in play. Magan, to Balaba, to Wanga, back to Balaba. 10 shot clock, open 3, in and out. Salarda to Gasapon, shot. Balaba. To Wanga. Shot clock 10. 5 shot clock. Basket of points by Minnesota.